Hello everyone, Hi Techie here. Today's the quick tutorial tackles a common problem, hyperlinks not working in Microsoft Teams. We will walk you through a few solutions to hopefully get things fixed. Let's dive in. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Repair Microsoft Teams. Open the Start menu and search bar, type Microsoft Teams. Right click on Microsoft Teams and select App Settings. Under Reset, click Repair. This keeps your data intact. Solution 3. Reset Microsoft Teams. If repair doesn't work, important. Resetting deletes your team app data including preferences, sign-in details. Follow steps 1-3 from Solution 2. Search for Team Access App Settings. Under Reset, click on Reset. Confirm the reset by clicking Reset again. After trying these solutions, restart your computer for good measure. Hopefully your hyperlink woes in Microsoft Teams are a thing of the past. Thanks for watching.